All right, today you're going to do this lesson independently on a concept substitution that, again, it's supposed to be a middle school topic, but we are going to do a little review for those who need it. Let's see if you remember this concept. So like we mentioned, we're going to be talking about two equations now instead of one, and we're looking at solutions to the two. It's called a system, the two equations, and that solution is known as where they touch. But they're asking to match this to the four systems below. Let's see if we can use some hints here. Notice first that these have x equals something, y equals something, and this could quickly be solved as an x equals as well. And these are known as vertical and horizontal lines because there's no other variable in the equation. Do you remember which one is which? Well, an x equals line is going to be a vertical line like this. And then a y equals line is going to be a horizontal line like this. So just seeing how we have a vertical line like right here, we know we can eliminate this one right here right off the bat, because that would have a horizontal line through the middle and ours does not. Now this other one has just a straight up regular isolated y equals mx plus b format with a positive slope. That means it would have another positive sloping line, and this does not. This has a vertical line. So we know we can eliminate this one as well from our possibilities. Were you already thinking that? So now we're choosing between these two. Well, we have no numbers on this graph, but I see that here x equals a negative number and here equals some positive number. Since our x vertical line is right here in a positive value, then it has to be this one. How'd you do? Did you match it to the correct one? Next, it's assuming we remember this from middle school. So using the quick review we did today, if needed, I also put some additional resources. If you need more of an intro, go refer to those if needed. Let's try some substitution. We're going to be taking this value of an isolated x, -5, and plugging it into the other equation. We then add that 5 to both sides. We get 2y equals 13. Remember, we can get decimals on these because 13 divided by 2, grab your calculator, what's that going to give you? You got it, 6.5. Now that's just my answer for y. I need to put the answer together in an x-y coordinate pair because the solution to the system is a point of intersection, and we need both the x and the y coordinate. All right, pause the video, go try B. Let's see how you do trying it again. All right, we're getting that x is equal to 2. Remember, that's only half an answer. I need to put that with the xy coordinate pair for my solution to the system. And we recall that y was just -1, so I put it together. How'd you do on this one? Pause the video, try the next one. By the way, these are the same equations from the top. Are you recognizing them? All right, x has been isolated, and now it's equal to 8/3. We're like, ew, I hate plugging in fractions, but it's okay, it's not too bad. When I go plug in that 8/3 right here, the denominator cancels with the 3, thank goodness. And we get that y is equal to 7. Let's go put that xy coordinate pair together. 8/3, 7. Done. Pause the video, try the next one. This one's a little bit bigger. combine like terms. And we're going to get another decimal. Take a minute to do that one in your calculator. What is 15 divided by 2? You got it. That is supposed to be a 5 there at the end. Okay, now put x back into the y equation. So 2 times 7.5 minus 7. And then grab your calculators and multiply that out and then subtract 7. And you should get that y equals 8. So we put those two coordinate pairs together, 7.5, comma 8. I don't know what is wrong with my 5s here. Okay, so if you continue, notice that they're going to give you more to practice here. Sometimes you're going to have to isolate the variable before you can plug in. Notice it's changing from x's and y's to m's and p's and w's and z's. And so I'd like you to try these 4 on your own, isolating the variable, and then here come the solutions to these so you can check your work at the end. And then please let me know if there's any you didn't understand with your group so that we can go over that particular one. This one should be 6, 2. This one should be -7, -4. This one should be 6, 3/2. And this one should be 3, 7. Okay, see how you do.